And here is information concerning a high wind warning.
And northern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union, and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk. High wind warning now in effect until 6 a.m. Friday. Winds, northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing, tonight. Impacts, damaging winds may blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. Here is the latest weather map.